Okay, let's see how much I can get for all these clothes. Just got done filming a couple YouTube videos and a bunch of TikToks. So follow me on TikTok, please do. It would make me happy. Now I'm about to have dessert before dinner because I'm an adult and I can. Had to take that makeup off like ASAP because it was irritating the shit out of my face because I'm still having that allergic reaction. But I put in the new little hoops that I got from Plato's Closet and one of the new nose rings that I got from Plato's Closet. If you guys haven't seen that haul, I'll put it up in the cards. Go check out my newest thrift haul. Re-injured myself doing it, so please give it a like. But I am now making myself some dinner, and I'm gonna have some Powerade Zero with it. It's in mixed berry, the blue one. I wanted regular Gatorade, but it has so many calories and so much sugar in it. But this has 0 calories and 0 sugar in it. I've never tasted this, but I'm gonna taste it and I'll let you know how it is. Let's taste test it right now. Not bad. For dinner, I'm having chicken scallopini and roasted garlic riced cauliflower with a little bit of a gravy. I'm super proud of myself because this time last year I would be having 2 cutlets of chicken scallopini instead of 1, and I'd be having like a whole tub of microwavable mashed potatoes instead of riced cauliflower. If you told me this time last year that I'd be having riced cauliflower, I'd be laughing in your face. Pat on the back for me. Mama Blaze and I are about to go watch the season finale of Spring Baking Championship. I want my lovely Italian stallion Damiano to win. She wants Andy to win, but we both think maybe Dwayne's gonna win. Those are the 3 contestants. So my mom's is Peacemaker. Her icon, her profile picture is Peacemaker. I'm Cersei, of course, and my sister is Totoro, and my dad does not go on Max, so he does not have a profile picture yet. But when he does, we should make one for him. Let's do the finale. Let's see who's gonna win. I'm hoping it's Damiano because I love him. I love hearing him talk. Who's gonna win? I think it's gonna be Andy. I think it's gonna be Andy. It's not gonna be Damiano. Who won? Who is it? Who is it? Who's it? Who's it? I told you. What'd I say? I told you. Hey, it's your dude. You wanted him to win. I made my dad his icon, his profile picture, and for his account, and his name for the Max. He's a clicker. He's a funky zombie. Been passing a kidney stone all freaking morning, so I'm staying hydrated. I'm binge watching Maid. It's a really good series on Netflix. And I painted this lovely woman right here earlier to try to distract myself from the pain. Her name is Sasha. We've named her Sasha. So welcome, Sasha, to the room. She's the newest addition. I took down the I Can Buy Myself Flowers, and I took down Dr. Now to put up Sasha. So Sasha is now here. Please forgive my hair. This is the way it looks when it comes fresh out of the shower and it just air dries and I don't do nothing to it. But today is Cat Fest, and my mom really wanted to go. It's this cat convention where they have just basically a whole bunch of cats that are up for adoption. And Mama Blaze really, really wanted to go, but unfortunately couldn't go due to health problems and other such things. And she was really, really sad, and I was really sad for her that she couldn't go. And I would have liked to have gone. Like, I love cats. It's Catter Day too, so it's Cat Fest on Catter Day. Sad. So I was thinking, why don't I bring Cat Fest to her? Welcome to Cat Fest. So we had a really nice time, and she was really, really surprised. She had no idea what was going on. Basically, I just went on the Humane Society site and printed out some local kittens that I thought were interesting, that we would like, that would be in our area. And I just like printed all those out and scattered them throughout our living room and made it so like, hey, you want to pick up this kitten and try this one out. It was a really nice time, and she was very, very grateful and like teared up, and she was really emotional about it, like that, you know, I thought of her, and I was like, of course I think of you. I'm just glad she had a nice time, and I was able to do a little something for her, because she's always doing and going over the top for me. So I was happy to do something small for her. Firstly, let's get all the sad stuff out of the way first. I want to say rest in peace to Paul Rubin, to Pee Wee Herman. He was a huge part of mine and my sister's and just my family's life in general for our whole entire lives. Here's a picture of me. I know you can't really see it very clearly, but that's like when I was 1.5 years, almost 2-ish, with me and our Pee Wee Herman doll. He did, per his wishes, donate to Stand Up to Cancer. It is one of our favorite organizations to donate to for charity anyway, so we're always donating there anyway, and I encourage you guys to donate to Stand Up to Cancer as well. This one hurt. This one was heartbreaking, so that really, really sucks. Anyway, I haven't scrapbooked in a long while. I've been writing, I've been painting, but I haven't scrapbooked in a long while. So I'm going to scrapbook for my birthday. It's August 1st. It's a special, I can't talk. It's August 1st. It's officially my birthday. We're celebrating my birthday, bitch. So for the background paper, I went into the French Prep paper, background paper. Oh, I love this so much. It's just like so antique-y and pretty. I love it. And this is the background border paper that I chose. I think it's very classy and just very nice. I am about to venture out to go get some mini brands at Walmart. All right, we're at Walmart. Let's go. Okay, we got all the ones. They didn't have the food ones that I wanted, boo, but we got the rest of the ones that I wanted, which makes me happy. I want to get some new coasters for the house. I want to see which one would go best for our home. So I have a pile of clothes here because I found out last time when we went to Plato's Closet that you can actually sell to them. So instead of just straight up donating, they are a thrift store. So I'm just going to sell to them. You don't make much money, but I'm going to sell to them, and it's going to be thrifted anyway, so why not? Good morning, y'all. I have a froggy in my throat. Ribbit. I don't exactly know what the plans are for today. I have therapy at 3. I have to go to Plato's Closet and see how much money I can get for that big bag of clothes. Probably not a lot, but you know, as long as it's getting thrifted, you know, that's what matters. And I'm gonna give a little bit of juiciness. I mean, by the time you see this, you have already known if I have done this or not, but I might. This is not a definite, but I might be going back to Freakies for my birthday this year like I did last year. Maybe. It's not set in stone, but maybe. Maybe. I've also been painting nonstop, and mostly I've been painting like women, like abstract, weird looking women, but not weird looking, they're gorgeous. They're unique, but like I have a certain style. Like I'm trying to get better at it. I don't know how I feel about the style, but everybody else seems to be loving them. If you haven't seen them already, I've been posting them on Instagram and Snapchat, so follow me on all of my social medias, and also on my Discord. So follow me, join my Discord. We have fun, it's relaxing, we get to share all types of stuff. So all my stuff is linked down below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to see all behind the scenes stuff before you see it here on YouTube. But I'll show you those paintings now, so far, of what I've been doing. Okay, let's see how much I can get for all these clothes. Yes, I'm here to try and sell.
Have you sold with us before?
No, I have not. This is my first time.
All right. If you
Okay, so they are mad particular about the clothes that they buy from you. I had 10 or 11 items of clothing, and they only purchased 2 from me. And I got a grand total of $4.40. I'll just donate the rest to Goodwill. But for now, I'm gonna have some fruit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I wanna see if we can somehow incorporate these dahlias into my birthday. Let's see. We are absolutely doing a Halloween tree this year, absolutely. I want these so bad, but I have nowhere to put them. Oh my goodness, I want these so freaking bad though. Not surprising that I already picked up some things to start off Halloween. But I'm gonna end out this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy, or at least as happy as you can be. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.